I've been walking through the shadows, chasing dreams I cannot run. But in the silence of the midnight, I feel the fire of the sun. Oh, this world is full of whispers, echoes lost inside the sky. But when I look into the heavens, I see a reason to fly. So take my heart and make it lighter, lift my soul and take me higher. I've been waiting, I've been yearning for a spark to keep me burning. Fly me to the moon, let me dance among the stars. Let me leave behind your scars and find out who we are. Take me to the edge, where the universe begins, where the chaos fades away and the light pours in. I've been caught in all the madness, but I've learned to love the pain. Every tear became a diamond, every fall a step I gained. Now the night feels like a lover, pulling me into its arms. And the moon becomes a beacon, lighting paths beyond the dark. Oh, so beyond the gravity, lift my soul and take me higher. I've been waiting, I've been yearning